better, yeah.
One people are them nice. Put something this.
Of course.
Yeah, this. Look there. Man and woman. Come up, come to where I go on.
Yeah.
Them don't know where I go on. Look for them good something. Them something are not cheap something. See there? Yeah, man, that's some good something go on, man. Man and woman, what them good pants there?
Oh.
Look for them. Look for them good something. Something nice, you know. Act again. What that girl them there? All them are shoot.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. Akeynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them are clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them not like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry.
Well. Guys, hold on. Well. Blessed love, guys. Blessed love. Hope you're having a wonderful day anywhere you are, or anywhere you're watching from. Anyway, I think I'm on Dream Team, one team. Anyway, it's the only team. So welcome back to Akeynote Live in Jamaica. You know we're here and we ain't no faker. Yes guys, so boy, today mission, well, I don't think it'll be too much that stressing, you know, or it used to, you know, because I'm heading to the place that no one likes to go. You know, I'm heading to Wharf. You know, I'm heading to Wharf now, guys, to pick up a crate. You know, we got some stuff that they left over back there in the UK from my mommy, you know, so she sent that and we literally gonna pick it up. So today we're picking up a crate and a box, you know, so, and for those stuff now is for like to give around in and around the community of Trenchtown, you know. So this trip for these crates, I think we're going to give it in and around the community of Trenchtown, you know, give the Dream Team members them, you know, some stuff from it as well too, and give the people them in the community and outside of the community. You know, we're going to share the love, you know, spread it along the line so everyone can get something, you know. So one of the less pressure, you know, take away from the pure pressure going to the less pressure that you know, my mom should speak to the guys and that deal with the Jake, because Jake on freight, right? So you have a thing where they will clear it for you, you know. So the other thing I'm supposed to be going there for is for the gate pass. So that's what the guy said, you know. So him says all clear and ready and waiting for me. So the only thing I'm gonna go get is the gate pass, and then from the gate pass now I get it, and then I go to Trenchtown and just unload it from the crate into some barrels, you know, like we did the last time. You know, so I hope it's not so difficult. You know, today. I'm keeping my fingers crossed. You know, guys, no matter how early it is, no matter how could have even one, like a Jamaican say, I could have even one sitting me have to go do. It's gonna take the whole of me day, you know. So yeah, so we give thanks to, you know, Mommy Michelle and the team. You know, that they send this stuff, you know, because she and her team, you know, my sister and some other church families and, you know, other relatives as well that put together to make this possible, you know. So so hoping for a wonderful day today, for everything goes smooth and good. So on the journey to Wharf now, guys, and anything goes. So bless our love, guys. So please remember to hit that like button. So if you're one that watching and not liking the video but you're watching, I hope you feel the guilty conscience right now. Just pause the video and say, you know what, I'm one of them, you know. Let me go put my thumbs up, you know. I hope you feel like guilty conscience to go and like the video now, you know. I'm waiting. Let's wait. Let me see how much that gonna hit you. I said channel star. I'm one of those that will watch Akeynote video and I haven't liked, plus I haven't subscribed, you know. It's not gonna cost you a life, it's not gonna cost you nothing at all. You know, it seems weird sometimes when people think if you like a video or if you subscribe to our channel, if you always watch it, it's gonna cost you anything. It's not gonna cost you nothing at all. No sleepless night, you're not gonna lose your sanity, and you're not gonna lose your pride, you know. It's just giving us support, you know. It's not gonna do nothing at all, trust me. So, man, it's smooth, no traffic and all of that. Come here and drop in a pothole. I'll go on Jamaica, the pothole them want fix, you know. Trust me. So, alright guys, so bless and love. So, peace. Well guys, so I just reached here. Well, I have to come a bit distance to come park because there's no parking and the stretch around here is already put up. So as you can see, sunny, the sun, but you know what? Now complain because what has been raining and we have ball, so rain, you know, and now we have the sun. Everybody says sun. But that's all in the human nature because trust me, the sun is hot. The sun is hot. You don't lie, but you know what? When you complain, you get more things to complain about. So try not to complain too much, guys. Because once you complain, that's what you're putting out there. And that means the universe is going to give you more things to complain about. If it's not the sun, it's going to give you something else to complain about. But anyway, so yeah. So it has started now, but not now. I'm going to give a time. It's now after 10, right? 20 past 10. So it's 20 past 10 now. So let's see what time I'm going to leave here. You know, remember, everything's already collected and all of that. You know, so just for me to get the gate pass and just leave the place. You know, so. Let me see how long this literally is going to take me today. As you can see, the outside is not that busy like it. They call it Hurricane Melissa time and the place was so literally busy. Let me grab myself one of these smoothie over here. Alright, so here's I grab myself a little fruit smoothie. We're going to settle the stomach a bit. You know, with some fruits in it. So I found the guy, which is my mom contact, you know, through Jake and Freight Company. You know, and he said I should wait by the office, you know, until he comes over. So I'm gonna literally wait by the office till he comes and get everything delivered. Thank you, thank you. She's such a gentle lady. Thanks. Hello. Alright guys, so you know I also received a barrel, right? But for some reason the barrel, it don't have any name from the sender, you know. But imagine I spoke to the person that sent the barrel like weeks before it arrived, you know. But with that being the case, I don't remember who the person is, you know, because there's so many contacts in my phone, there's so many messages and so much out of that, but I still cannot remember who the name of the sender is, and it's not on the barrel either. So what I'm going to do, like for me, I'm going to ask them to give me the sender's name for who sent the barrel, the last barrel. But if you're watching and you know yourself, you know the thing, then please contact me. But I'm struggling to remember the name that's in the contact, so I could reach out to them and let them know that I received the barrel, you know. So otherwise, hopefully they can give me some name today and we can know who send it so I can call them, you know. So if I haven't called you as yet, the time you're watching this, please, and you saw the video, call me, you know, call me. Alright guys, so yeah, so the paper I just went through, so I just getting the gate pass now, you know, which is sweet, you know, getting the gate pass already. You see. So doing long time.
How are you doing?
Key life in Jamaica. I've been a long time, for years, man. Guess mad that never did tell you. Alright, Dwayne, so we give the company a shout out there. So guys, so here we have Dwayne. You know, Dwayne is the man that work at Freight here. Jake and Freight, you know, so he's the one that my mom do everything through. So tell them what kind of service Jake can have to offer.
We're basically a freight forwarding, mostly freight forwarding, and we also do customs brokerage. So anything basically will come out of the port. So if it's a vehicle container, full load commercial items, to down to the regular barrel, we can handle it.
You do door to door as well?
Yeah man, we do door to door.
All
so
right.
everything from container to barrel, door to door. Yeah.
Alright, so you get that guys, so anything. So let me say Jake and Fred, they can link them up because they make the day easy for us, you know. So they sort out everything, so everything I need I just come and do, and just get my gate pass, get the stuff there, and I'm good to go. So that's good. I'm taking the back roads, you know.
I look from
You know that really part, man.
Tell me after. On the phone, no go this. What's on? Hold on.
Okay, guys. The man there, man. You know the rock there. Like this. Ghana Road. So that's a service we always do for anyone that ship to you?
Yeah man, so we do the door to door, and what me do otherwise is the pre-clearance.
Yeah.
So me clear it in advance, pay your charges, just come pay, pick up and go.
It's quick. Guys, you need to contact Jaycon Free. Can I give them a contact information for Jaycon?
So email jayconfreight@hotmail.com. Otherwise you can contact telephone 310-3014 or even call me 343-9376.
Alright then. General. Sorry guys, hear that. So if you want to send barrel, you know, to me now, we can send it to Jaycon. So it depends where. We forgot to ask the location where they base. If I does England or America, I should have asked that. So I would literally know as well. Are this in a ship for America too? No, just UK. Okay. Oh, huh? And Canada. Okay, so it's UK and Canada. So you can say if you're in the UK and Canada, you want to send something, it's easier that way. You know, so you can contact him and it'll take less pressure. You know, everything off whosoever is collecting. So that's even good. So then do the pre-clearance. So you clear everything. I want to come just give them the difference, and then you're good to go. You're out here already, because listen, it's not even an hour already and I got the gate pass. Sweet. Right tweet. Yes guys, so I'm waiting on the truck man to come now and everything. So yeah.
No man. Alright, so see? Colleagues, Salger.
Colleagues, please don't come.
Salger.
This is our job.
What's your role?
Alright guys, so you know, bro, signal is kind of jam, you know, so I'm trying to call back Dwayne, let him know that I'm around here, because he said I should call him once I'm around here so he can get to come up more quicker, you know, but I'm trying to call him and I'm not getting through, you know, because of the signal. As well too, I'm trying to call him on WhatsApp, it says calling, so I'm waiting. As you can see, there's a lot of vehicle. There's a lot of vehicle waiting as well to collect, to pick up. I don't know what type of body worst nightmare coming here. I never expect I would have come, but it's a good thing. True, they already sorted out everything already. They already cleared. They will go through the process. And the only thing I came to do is pick up the gate pass and just pick up my package and move. Which is, that's something I can work with. You know, they do the pre-clearance. And I come and I pay the difference, get my stuff and I go. So just to get the stuff now for it to come out and then I'm gone. So at least I'm not in the pressure for inside the building struggle. I'm outside of that, which is good. You know, it's a big plus, trust me, because I wouldn't know what time I would have leave here today, boy. So I give thanks. Look for yourself, so what's going on? I told me to have something I deal with that sperm. I told them I deal with it already.
Okay.
So I'm just going to pick up the gate pass. Because we're done already.
Oh, go on.
There, man.
Long time.
Very long time.
I've been watching.
You're watching the same way.
I've been watching. I can't stop watching.
Oh.
I'm liking and sharing.
Yes.
I'm doing that.
When once I something else me that shout and say, yeah,
Yeah.
I've set my coming right now. You know. So.
But I'm not giving information. I'm not right stuff on making fun. I'm gonna write up for your catch up, don't you?
Big up the sunrise team. Big up the sunrise team.
It's been a while. Martin here,
Mr.
capital city.
Yeah.
Kingston. Kiwanis.
Oh,
Yes.
every time the
Always
Kiwanis.
represented.
Alright.
Winston, you know Winston, right?
As you can see, the crate them just come out, you know. And that's Marlene as well from the Kiwanis that always give us assistance whenever I'm down here as well. You know, so our crate just touched down finally, you know. So it was good, you know, with everything started up, but just for them to find a crate to bring it out. That means the paperwork should already done, but just to find a crate to bring it out and they were good to go. You know, so as you can see, we are good to go. We're set. We're ready. Noah? Noah and the Ark.
Are yours?
No?
Oh. No. Can him the way the trick container one the trailer.
Noah already gone from the Ark. So
Oh God.
Noah gone on the Ark early.
So when last year come link way?
Long time.
Alright, I have something more you come link up. You know would you go Westmoreland weekend gone?
Yeah, you going here?
Me never get for go.
Okay.
I work for those, so me never get for go.
Oh.
But the team go down, carry whole pass stuff for me clear.
Yeah.
Go down, right now I have some shoes. I clear.
Okay.
Another team now, one whole pair shoes.
Yeah.
Some that wait for the paperwork now. God forgot donate again.
Okay. Well, Westmoreland still stay bad, see me.
Yo, the team said down the stay bad.
Yeah, still stay
Our
bad.
team up with the Kiwanis job now Westmoreland. And we went down and really stay bad.
Yeah. And them not show to the eyes, you
They're
know.
not going, no. I have some people who still have not received it, especially some shut-in people who can't move.
Yeah.
Them not get nothing, you know.
Same way.
So the Kiwanis not because we do shut-ins and so the team down there went in and do a survey and so we can know those things that them we really the focus on, you understand?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's rough.
Yeah,
And some small things, you know. Some small things. Just food. Can you imagine people want food to eat and some of we are waste food?
You know what I mean? I know. It's
Things
tough.
like soap for bed with.
And the thing is now,
And some of
yeah.
them don't have water and some of them still not the light yet.
Yeah, that's the thing. A lot of them do have light
Still not
and
the light
no
and still not the water.
water. Especially when you're off the main.
After me, the people in the deep rural.
Deep rural area, them like nothing.
Which side I'm coming in? You have to pay the first.
Alright, Marlene. Ready, driver? Yeah, we talk. Alright guys, so we're ready to move, lock and load. The box are more slimmer than the last one. Up a little bit more because I was jumping on the side just like last time.
Early?
Whoa! Just send me a call here a while ago. No, we have put it on the side so. We have put the box on the side or so.
Take off now.
Yeah. You're good there, sir. Where that can't pass?
Oh, if this put up, go a little bit much.
Last time I would do, take out the box to tuck this on. Because we can rock it to the side. Come Bella, get in the fast. Take out the box to that. Just put it on your side.
Oh, that's something I can bring it down low.
Yeah. That we do it last time. Yeah.
Is it too hot in there, sir? Yeah, man. No, it's too hot on the column there. Inside, outside.
Yeah. Yeah.
The one in front of the other side, that's the pressure. Yeah?
Which one?
The one
The one low.
Yeah.
So, no,
Oh, not yet.
Yeah. Oh. I want this to come off.
Yeah, it will come from this, you know. Yeah.
Okay. Whoa, go help him right there, sir.
Push through.
Alright.
Come up.
Yeah, come off. Let it down. Touch the ground. Turn, so. Turn a little bit more. Alright, go that side now. Go over this side. To that side. Next side.
Come back.
Got to touch the edge. Touch the motion towards you. Yeah. Too much?
Yeah.
That good?
Your side.
Go and go forward. Yeah.
Come here.
Naturalus. Oh, chef. Yeah, swing that side.
Me walk for again?
Yeah, come on. No, man. Don't make it show it straight. Don't get tail. Too much.
Lower down with this time you can drive.
Oh, it's done.
Alright.
Okay.
Come again.
Yeah, at the back. Where's the back?
Alright. That is it.
No, this is going around there. Yeah.
Alright, respect my general. Yeah. Thanks to the patient.
Something this evening, no type barrel.
Yes, thanks to the patient.
Early.
Yeah.
Should we kind of rip my head out?
Go for the shop key.
to over here. Yeah. Then not on me. Then not on me.
Then that come out.
Everything is when it's away, come out.
Me here, man. Let me say, we just take it out. No, they not reach it yet.
Oh, chef, you keep on taking baby stuff. What we don't know about? What we don't know about, oh, chef? Can you keep on taking baby? Look, give him this. It's for your son. My plan, can you keep on taking baby clothes? That's a baby clothes. So you say,
fathers, they come and me.
I'm going to push this. I'm going to push this.
And this now.
Papa Chol. Papa Chol. And this is the water gun.
Water gun, yeah.
I don't know what that is.
Wait, I want this.
Somebody give me an item and wait for you.
No, you can't wait just a black battery at the start. They can't have a party. You know they have a nice party.
So what you want me to do now?
Show them more. That's great.
I will reach now. Still not reach now yet.
Crystal, mind your foot. The suit in there. No. Crystal, the suit in there.
Watch out with that.
Crystal, the suit.
The sword.
Batman.
Where's Bernard?
You must find the sword, Crystal.
And the suit,
Please,
Crystal.
now you find the sword.
Oh, the pump come again. Let's get back another pump again. It's in there. Give me that roll. It's in there, sir.
Here.
Let's wrap it up and put it in there. Another pump. Let's see another pump there again.
Crystal, you know about the what is it? No, I will not. I just not about
I ain't that product coming. Especially a rice, yeah. Anyone to stay over there.
They're not big, they're little bit.
Yeah, next day for the signal. Eh?
Yeah, we're going to Crystal and stand up and play.
No, I don't want to go in and go stop and
Say, Crystal, you go over now. Remember, you go over. What's that?
Crystal, man, you drop off for that.
This can turn over. This can turn sideways.
You have to lick off the angle part. No, the angle part, they will put it.
You lick out that side there yourself.
Yeah. Let me see. How far it is? Yeah. Okay,
You
so.
can lick out that side.
Push it down. No, mommy, I'll come on.
How can tilt it?
Me I say, eh?
Come here, boy, dada. Come here.
One next Primark.
Eh?
That's it, man.
Man, you say. Take
This?
a message.
You know?
Man, you say.
This not tilt.
Go on, dada. A man, you the man that says straight.
Oh, remember that.
Just take them out and push them over, dada.
Charge him, I don't know what they're from.
Just, yeah, come, pass them over. Come, cut them in front of him. Cut them in front of him.
Put on, no, you know, so put on.
See them there.
Here, close to that. Put the same place.
See there, Crystal, take that from him.
Give me a bag, babe.
You can knock off them boxes, someone, and you're good. Bam, 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 bam. You know when you clean the box already. man, you have to do it.
Take up them baby. How much you get?
No man, you have girlfriend, man. You have girlfriend. Clothes tomorrow.
A 10 baht, Dada.
No, I think
Pass a bag right to the baby. Take up the clothes then. Give me clothes then. She shall take up the food them already. Take up the clothes then.
Don't make a lock you up in anything, Dada. How you say, man, you? Eh? Oh. Mad. If I Liverpool him staying door, come out of that box here. Just put the top on it. No man, I'm them man that's a long time, man. Man, you them man that's a straight. Yeah. It's everything for blow up. I will blow up with the pump. And then come with the pump. Esther, can you suck me up with the pump? Them because small thing then. You just put them in there, sir. Yeah. Put me one and blow it, me see.
Choose a side.
This side don't take out it. Mine ain't no back to you.
Two should stand up like watch which part it is.
Remember some love items, forgot?
So Denise come out.
Hey! Denise in there?
So now what about this?
She not come on, right like her.
No, 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 Denise in.
She not come on. Oh, you reaching there, so? So look at why in there, so?
Yeah.
Lock him up in there, lock him up.
But we know we can manage to take a look, boy. We can manage to take a look, boy. Oh, looking.
Some come out the key, no? Come burn it, come take it.
Come. Dada, you stay?
Get key now, you have to come down find a bucket there.
Ah, go on, stay. Hold on, Dada, take it.
Go away. 1, 2, 3, go.
My name is
There you go, Dada. Thanks. Yes, Papas then.
Oh, Denise, come out. Yeah. Oh, that's what you come out.
Jump on. Empty.
May I show you what? No, stop it. Without the paper, I never know what.
Go buy your book.
Esther, where should I stay? I eat that alone?
And the next, another white bag, the next bag, the one that all this one.
Okay.
Yeah.
Need money at tight attention.
When we can find a plug for this.
Plug?
Yeah. I went there a while ago. I never see the plug a while ago. Christian, take out the plug a while ago.
Yeah, me sell us some more plug.
No, I'm Marsha.
Yes.
Take out the plug a while ago. Crystal, I should throw the plug in again.
The plug. You know.
I'm here again.
Come and say, I don't know where the plug is supposed to keep it.
For the printer.
Yeah, I'm put it. She take it out a while ago for you. Crystal, I say anything like that when you want? Up the road.
More no want to that.
Esther, pass your chopper in over there. No, the blue one. I think it does for the printer there.
How are you? What me I say now? No say that. No put him in
Like that. Bernard. Bernard, if you put this on the side, what are the fines?
We have.
If you want to say, could I put the stuff them fine?
Oh.
What we told,
They go sell out there. I want them.
And I sell him myself.
I don't sell myself, I don't sell them myself.
Oh, come like selling out there.
Oh, I don't sell.
Hi, Nihan.
We have young baby in the place. And we have elderly.
I'm not even looking at this.
It's a throat.
We have short runners.
A yellow rice, huh? On here. The pre-cooked one is already there.
You like the steak?
But you take up one more and then you
I
say,
look like a, I don't know, like fascinated with the steak.
You say your mother, you say you go.
Your mother use steak?
And the two of them shall go use? A two she use?
I think a two, is that
one.
pair or one?
Your mother sick for sure. I think she get her lick down, that's her?
That two stick them normally walk with her one. No one.
Upon it, and for people who can't bring them weights, you must push them and
30 grand, take the part out of the water there. No, I say bring it over more. Just bring the chopper over more to the water, 30 grand. If you come out of the water. Yeah, bring it here. Then there's somebody else to step. You get there? No. Or then there's somebody else. Somebody else.
Give me them. Not to stay with them.
Me, I said to them,
which part water come from? Oh, this one. Jenna.
I don't say again.
How do you do?
Buck up in now.
you know, people crazy, you know. People think, you know,
put them out, we have put them out over there so you can so that's how we have spread out that chopper in there. Yeah. Berlin, bring that back safe to me as well. Yeah.
Jella!
Fuji! Them say you're asleep. You just start, man. Cheers! What about my family? Yeah, cool. Fuji, put that box up there and put that one there as well.
I'm going to get a change, yeah? Remember, some head is gone. Because me, I tell you, try remember, my head is gone. Address this, and I'm going to ask you some England brand. Big brand. Well, me alright. So me Akeynote, out and bad.
This is out and bad.
When you look, watch yourself. Time man come through. Don't get hurt.
The thing say me I chose and me now look. And he don't look.
And then I look.
I see you take it from?
Only egg. Yes, them you look.
Yeah, let's look. Let's look. Go on, let's go.
No, me and your boy, man.
Close it, I can't fit though.
Oh yeah, put that on YouTube.
I know me not
Yeah.
get put them in the dig.
What size are we? I know your size. Take that out of your mouth.
14.
14.
So now shoes today.
The shoes and put out.
Put out the shoes, I shoes them in a bag.
What size you wear?
14.
14?
Allah, you don't know him size.
You don't know him size. Barney, put me that box there for me there as well, you know, please. Put me that box there. Open that box. Yeah.
Throw it and no me get a clothes with that one.
Well, I can take them out because remember so some things will come out first.
What you say?
First, a pump. That's a pump.
Here, baby.
Yeah, after them. Esther, come for this. But I hear better.
What's your name?
What the carpet of a show? So I'm not giving them the carpet. We are going to man. You're going to give the
Them are the blue for
What you do?
Had a big.
That can't fit you.
Can you look? Can you look? That can't. Jenna. Sour pie. How far back then? Oh. Boom. That's proper Esther lesson. Because she must shake her head, say nothing. What that she get? She get controller with the car.
I don't know.
Check Esther.
Mommy, come here. Bring this to me and come here.
Okay, turn on the light here.
I look me out funny. Can you go like me now? I mean, I can't take some over there on the size, man. I can't never skirt to go down this. So what size is them know me at home?
Yeah, let's see how we size. Out the shop, out the shop.
I can't see size.
Put your foot in there and see.
I try it, of course.
It's a smile, it fit you.
I look at that boom down the line.
Come on, let's put it in for something on this one.
The Guinean boat.
I can stand it.
Rain and go fall.
Wanna give them price?
Go on a bus?
This bird.
Yeah, nigga. Take out the one in pan top, because one in pan top, the food cup in pan top. Take out. The rest of the, I think, are pampas. Stop the looting.
It's Jimmy. What's the matter? Get the matter. I'm going to say that. Oh, I'm going to say that. Oh, I'm going to show Condom. Them fine condom. They say condom. Wow, go tell them so you want.
We're going to come over and blow them up for Christmas.
Yeah. The other girls that shall bust anybody when I'm a youth and she not bust wow chef. Me? And a you man, because you not bust wow chef. Why is it fine there, Esther?
Why when everybody find once in them after Mr. Something? No, ask Boya. Said we're going to make one cream. Ask Boya. Ask Crystal.
11. And 11. Yo, size 11. What size 11?
We'll get in school.
Nah, one big man there.
Jack's here 11.
Jack's low and big foot.
Yeah, guys, in the show you.
Check and see what else in there to come out. We'll not put it on the thing on this one.
You are straight enough. You are straight, man. Too old. You are too old.
Sir. Hey, calm down. The kids will come off.
I wish you could be baby.
Yeah. When you don't step on the clothes them, yeah?
Don't step on the clothes.
Remember, don't step on the machine.
Look! Am I done?
Later, yeah. Wow, chef, want a baby, you know, you not bust him. Wow, chef. Wow, chef.
I'm going to give you a baby, you know.
Because that means say I give a baby. Wow, chef want one. Whoa, so the guys are being style.
High five up on the block, you know.
Tell them.
High five, I say, mother mean, you know, what you want is what you get is what you never bargain for.
Yeah.
Reaching up beside this, beside the house as a group. Yeah, man, a good look, you know, continue. You see me, I say,
yeah.
Go to the man, bless, out.
Yes.
1-5.
Let them know.
Yeah, man, out there, you know. Yeah,
never
man.
5 and never 10.
Yeah, somebody look on people, how them happy. Look on people, how them nice. Put something this.
Of course.
Yeah, please look there, man and woman. Come up, come, so I go on.
Yeah.
I don't know where I go on. man. Look on them good something. Them something are not cheap something. See there? Yeah, man, that's some good something I go on, man. Man and woman, what them good pants there?
Oh.
Look for them Look for them good something here. Something nice, you know, act again. What that girl them there? All them shoes, I look them.
Clocks.
Watch out. Yeah, man, everything blessed, man. Out there now. 1-5 I road.
1-5.
No naked again.
No naked again. Tell him. No naked again.
No
naked. Everything. You're supposed to have more bags in there.
Yeah, I like that.
Yeah, we love it for that. I'm a boss youth.
Yeah, boss chef. Come here, you boss him. No, you boss war chef. War chef need a youth, you know. Yeah.
Now making.
Bag of sitting. Whoa, chef.
I'm going over, please.
Check up boss here. Whoa. How him gone? More you boss him for true, you know. So he might wait too long.
But you have to wait till I want to drop.
Okay, so
yeah, I have to wait till I want to drop.
So when I want to drop. Yeah, give one. Alright. You not talk to John. When I want to drop, he shall get one. Turn another bag in. Just empty it and pass by the suitcase.
Empty out the suitcase this time. No fight, no war. Remember, US was in the suitcase. Who's the lucky I want to find here?
About that? Yeah, man, alright. Yeah.
You won't ever want to see a doctor.
Top. Send out my bikini top.
Checking out our bag.
Hello.
That one bar soup up with that. That one there, Jamaica one there. Oh. Dirty. The pink suitcase. The wipes. Oh, the wipes. The pink suitcase. See there. Oh. You put this. The pink one.
Make it pull right as a first. We can't see nothing in there. I want to pull it there. I can't see nothing in there. Over there, so I can't. I don't want to get no in there. You're not going to be the ones in the Give me a seat and some of them. We'll wait there.
Oh, yes. Yes. Yes, Gino.
Cook it down. Boom, let's cook it with some okra and thing on. Yeah.
Mama! Look at me!
Oh, your voice so heavy. So you're born.
Yeah.
Heavy voice.
So I want to sing a song instead.
You want to sing a song? Alright, go on. Sing one. Sing a song then. You ready? What's your artist name? What's your artist name?
Volume and popcorn.
Your name, I talk. What's your artist name? Come, sing a song with it. Yeah? Yeah. Best friend.
God bless Akeynote.
Yeah. High five. Hey, that's my best friend. Tell them, my best friend. Best. My best friend.
Yes, this is your birthday. Yeah, no, who take it up? After who take it up?
Oh, really?
Backyard, that's the backyard. Go on, go look in the campfire now. Go on, start cutting up a papa.
Yeah. Pressure.
Abigail, you don't see it. The bush stick inside of the blender there. The dry bush.
So the rain is coming down.
Get one of the suitcase.
Crystal's flying out. She's flying out. Or she's flying in. The rain and juice, so we just pack up back with a pack up.
Yes, man, brand new, so you take out the tag. No, fuck the pedal. No, fuck. Give me that.
Fair size that man.
Sorry, I have wisdom. Let me take one of them start. Yeah, another one, another. Oh, the more better than this.
Something drop off of the wall, Pooch. Putos. Alright guys, so the rain is coming down. Not bad. That not pull yet. That now pull. Lighten up. No, me never get that though.
Yeah, me know. But me get this. Yeah. You're going now, you're coming.
Yeah. Then it's just whole eyes straight. Are you here, Esther?
No. Think I said it.
I can't ask her all long, right? Me asking her for. If not, so all I know, I'm asking her for suit. Who want the suitcase? I suitcase clean now.
We ask you suitcase. We ask it.
Not to ask somebody, am I one? Yeah. When me take it one time.
You said Kino want it, I don't say I'm asking her to go with your line.
But I agree, my color labor.
I want the suitcase, Kino want it.
Denise, so she'll fly out, so she'll fly and bring it back.
I want the suitcase. I ask feet, I want it. Me no want to lend me want lend cheap.
Remember you're young, you know me old, so you're young, so mix it back.
So me have longer time for it, so make me lend you.
I you did put it up there. I you did put it up.
How for Louis Vuitton that?
I should tell you put it up there.
Louis Vuitton, you better putting it on.
She says you smoke on me every day.
It's August the 16th. The date set. No, the date set, but we're going to speak to the police next. Yeah. So we do the back to school the 16th of August.
Only thing for pay for back to school is school fee. Because everything else, we have to get them free.
But yo, them carry for come off the road, you know.
They're going to be a voucher. Be a voucher,
man. Them carry go park somewhere else.
You need to spot with that one.
Yeah. So we'll give them notice. 1 week notice.
Yeah, a week notice.
So guys, so anybody who have the car, you know, don't feel we're gonna give you no notice. We're going to go back to school. It's just for a day. We have to just park elsewhere, you know. So
and the week before they said
the police they know we're going, so we get the date from early for the 16th of August. You know, for the back to school treat. Last year we never done it. This year, bigger.
I'm telling you, so Denise the life for fun.
Baby, you just wait. Oh, you go school? You think you graduate long time? If you graduate long time.
For fun.
No, that's not pool.
No, that's not pool. I'm back to school.
Me can't get back my grandbaby got school.
I think this year we'll have more stuff, more back to school bag. Tina get the jam.
No, I'm gonna put you one for your dream granny. Dream grandmother. And a kid grandmother again. Dream mother.
So why you never give my granddaughter something out of the bag? It's open.
So with this monkey along the box, you know, so we're gonna use some of this board for another side part of the shop. The rain are coming. Yeah.
Milk. No, they have milk up.
Alright guys, so blessed love. So yeah man, so that is it for the day. You know, thank you guys so much, you know, for watching. So, you know, Mui Michelle and the team, Felicia and the team, you know, the church team, everyone that played a part in the UK, you know, thank you so much for the love and the support each and every time. God bless you all. Watch I know, you see life in Jamaica.
You hear that Carrier Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch channel no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.